I see the thing. Now they shoot. This is what they shot, eh? You see? This is what APC did here. In front of Chief Oyegun's house. This is what APC did. So you guys should know that 2027 is not going to be 2027 is not going to be a child play. Look at what they did. Look at what APC did. Look at what APC did. They shot. They were here shooting, destroying people's car. Yes, it's a gunshot. Yeah, it's a gunshot. These are the bullets. Yeah. Yeah, this is to let you guys know that 2027 is not going to be a child play. You should be ready. See, this gunshot. See bullets. See bullets at the gate. This former governor's house. Yes. This former governor's house. Chief Oyegun. They are angry because the obedient mobilized and the ADC has also mobilized. They are angry. This is what the APC are doing. 2027 is not going to be a child play. For you guys to be ready, to know that what is coming is not a child play. Everyone should get ready and get prepared. They know that they will lose. They know that Tinubu will lose in 2027. They know that Tinubu will lose in 2027. They know. They know that Tinubu will lose in 2027. And that's what they are doing. They know that Tinubu is going to lose in 2027. See bullets. See bullets. Thank God, enter inside. This one, they targeted the fuel tank. They targeted the fuel tank so that,
even the engine.